Do you need to install an old version of iTunes? Well, in less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how. There's a lot of advantages to having old versions of iTunes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly get them back. I found this method through Macworld. This is the quickest and easiest way to installing an old version of iTunes back onto your computer. Follow the link down below and click on Download iTunes 12.6.3 for Mac. Once you got it, open it up. This is going to override or replace the newest version of iTunes. There's some additional steps you're going to have to take. I'll walk you through it. After opening up the downloaded file, when you get to this point, click Install iTunes, then Continue, Continue, and Install. If you have iTunes open, you're going to need to close it. Put in the password for your computer. Once this pops up, click Quit. Now go to your Applications folder and find iTunes. Hold down the Option key and double-click iTunes. Once this window opens, click Choose Library. iTunes will be installing in the background. Click on Music, then iTunes, then Previous iTunes Library. Click Open. And now you're done. You've just replaced iTunes 12.7 with iTunes 12.6.3. I hope you enjoyed this video. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to install older versions of apps so that you can revive your unsupported old iPhones. I try to make these videos so that you can quickly get done what you need to do for your project and move on. I appreciate your subscription.